Inflation is a sneaky thing. It creeps up on you when you least expect it, subtly eroding the value of your hard-earned money. It's like a thief that slowly steals the value of your money over time. You might not notice it immediately, but over months and years, the impact becomes undeniable. In simple terms, inflation is the rate at which prices for goods and services increase. This means that the cost of living goes up, and the same amount of money buys you less than it did before. When prices go up, your money buys less. This can be particularly frustrating when you go to the store and realize that your usual grocery bill has increased significantly. This means your purchasing power decreases. Essentially, the same amount of money now gets you fewer goods and services than it did in the past. Imagine a loaf of bread costing $2 today. You might think that's a fair price, but inflation can change that perception quickly. With inflation, that same loaf might cost $2.50 next year. This might not seem like a huge increase, but it adds up over time, especially when it affects all the items you regularly purchase. Your dollar doesn't stretch as far. This shrinking value of money can make it challenging to maintain your standard of living, as you have to spend more to get the same things. Saving money becomes harder too. The money you save today will have less purchasing power in the future if inflation continues to rise. This is why many people turn to investments as a way to combat inflation. By investing in assets that have the potential to grow in value, you can help protect your money from losing its worth. Understanding inflation is crucial for making informed financial decisions. It affects everything from your daily expenses to your long-term financial goals. Planning and budgeting can help you manage the impact of inflation. By keeping track of your expenses and adjusting your budget as needed, you can better navigate the challenges inflation presents. It's also important to consider inflation when planning for retirement. The money you save for your future needs to account for the rising cost of living, ensuring you can maintain your lifestyle even as prices increase. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and strategies for managing inflation. They can help you create a plan that protects your wealth and ensures your financial stability. While inflation can be a silent thief, understanding it and taking proactive steps can help you safeguard your financial future. Stay informed, plan wisely, and make decisions that keep your money working for you. Financial freedom is about having choices. It's the ability to make decisions that align with your values and aspirations without being constrained by financial limitations. It's about having enough money to live the life you want, whether that means spending quality time with your family, indulging in your favorite hobbies, or traveling to new and exciting places. Financial freedom allows you to pay your bills without stress, pursue your passions, and enjoy a balanced life without the constant pressure of financial strain. However, inflation is a silent thief that erodes your financial freedom by reducing the value of your savings and investments over time. As prices rise, the purchasing power of your money diminishes. Imagine you've diligently saved $10,000 for a down payment on a house. This sum represents years of hard work and careful budgeting. But with an annual inflation rate of 3%, your $10,000 will be worth significantly less in just a few years. The same amount of money will buy you less house, less security, and less peace of mind. This means you'll need to save even more to reach your goal, constantly playing catch-up as inflation chips away at your hard-earned savings. It's a relentless cycle that can make financial freedom feel like a moving target. To combat this, it's crucial to invest wisely. Diversifying your investments can help protect against inflation. Stocks, real estate, and other assets often outpace inflation, preserving and even growing your wealth. Planning for retirement is another key aspect. Ensuring that your retirement savings are inflation-proof can help you maintain your standard of living in your golden years. Utilizing tools like budgeting apps and seeking advice from financial advisors can also help you stay on track. They can provide strategies to manage your money effectively and make informed decisions. Staying informed about economic trends and market conditions is essential. Understanding how inflation and other factors impact your finances can empower you to make proactive adjustments. Achieving financial freedom is a journey that requires vigilance, planning, and adaptability. By taking proactive steps to protect and grow your wealth, you can safeguard your financial future and enjoy the freedom to live life on your terms. Remember, financial freedom is not just about having money. It's about having the peace of mind and security to pursue your dreams without financial constraints. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your financial destiny. Let's look at some real-world examples. Remember the 1970s? Inflation was rampant. People saw their savings dwindle as prices skyrocketed. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing a resurgence of inflation. Gas prices are up, groceries are more expensive, and housing costs are through the roof. This is inflation in action, and it's impacting everyone's bottom line. So how do you combat this silent thief? The key is to invest your money in assets that have the potential to outpace inflation. Real estate is a great example. As inflation rises, so do property values and rents. This means your investment can grow faster than the rate of inflation, protecting your purchasing power. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Another important strategy is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. This helps to mitigate risk and protect your portfolio from the negative effects of inflation in any one area. Tips: inflation-protected securities. Consider investing in Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS. TIPS are government bonds that are indexed to inflation. This means that the principal value of your investment adjusts with inflation, providing a hedge against rising prices. Section 7. Earning power, your best defense. One of the best ways to combat inflation is to increase your earning power. This means investing in yourself, acquiring new skills, and finding ways to increase your income. When your income grows faster than inflation, you're winning the race. Debt management, taming the interest rate monster. In this section, we will explore the strategies and techniques to effectively manage your debt in the face of rising interest rates. High inflation often leads to higher interest rates. This economic phenomenon can significantly impact your financial health, making it more expensive to borrow money for various needs, from buying a home to financing education. This can be a double whammy for those with large debts, such as mortgages or credit card balances. The increased cost of borrowing can strain your budget, making it harder to keep up with monthly payments and potentially leading to financial distress. It's crucial to manage your debt wisely. Start by creating a comprehensive budget that outlines all your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards paying down your debt. Pay down high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Focus on credit cards and personal loans first, as these typically have the highest interest rates. Making extra payments can significantly reduce the total interest you pay over time. Consider refinancing to lower interest rates. Refinancing your mortgage or other loans can reduce your monthly payments and the total interest paid over the life of the loan. Be sure to shop around for the best rates and terms. And, well, avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. It's easy to be tempted by credit card offers and loan promotions, but taking on additional debt can exacerbate your financial challenges. Focus on living within your means and building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Attend workshops, read books, and seek advice from financial professionals to enhance your financial literacy. By taking these steps, you can tame the interest rate monster and achieve greater financial stability. Remember, managing debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and stay committed to your financial goals. Emergency fund, your safety net. An emergency fund is crucial, especially during times of inflation. Aim to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in a readily accessible account. This will provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen circumstances. Stay informed, stay ahead. Knowledge is power. Stay informed about economic trends, inflation rates, and investment opportunities. Read books, attend seminars, and consult with financial advisors. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and protect your financial future. The path to financial freedom. Inflation is a fact of life, but it doesn't have to derail your financial freedom. By understanding how inflation works and implementing these strategies, you can protect your wealth, grow your assets, and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key is to be proactive, stay informed, and never stop learning. Your financial future depends on it.